Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore the world of JavaScript and how it interacts with HTML elements. We'll be focusing on adding and removing elements using createElement, appendChild, and removeChild. These techniques are crucial for any web developer, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to mastering them. Before we dive in, let's take a look at what we'll be covering today. We'll start with the basics of JavaScript and HTML elements, then move on to creating new elements using createElement, appending them to the DOM using appendChild, and finally removing them using removeChild. To create a new element, we'll use the createElement method. This method takes one argument, the tag name of the element we want to create. Once we have our new element, we can append it to the DOM using the appendChild method. This method takes one argument, the element we want to append. To remove an element from the DOM, we'll use the removeChild method. This method takes one argument, the element we want to remove. Let's see an example of adding and removing elements in a real-world scenario. We'll create a button that adds a new paragraph to the page when clicked. When working with DOM elements, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. Let's take a look at some of these mistakes and how to fix them. In this video, we covered the basics of adding and removing elements using createElement, appendChild, and removeChild. We also went over a practical example and discussed some common mistakes to avoid. If you want to continue learning about JavaScript and the DOM, here are some next steps you can take. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding and removing elements using JavaScript. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask.